Namaste and welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. You might be thinking, what do I have here today in this basket? This is something that I thought of sharing with you all, empowering underprivileged women in rural India. So one of the girl approached me and asking to support this organization, and I'm like, yes, why not? So today I'm going to share something about chakri. They make crispy khakras. Now khakras, if those who don't know what khakra is a Gujarati popular kind of a flat bread, and it's crispy. The bread is, like roasted till it gets crispy. And these days there are a lot of flavors available. Not only they taste amazing on their own, but you can prepare recipes using khakra. You can make khakra pizza, khakra chaat, khakra sandwiches. You can also make like just a simple masala khakra by sprinkling some onion, tomato, seasoned with salt and jeera powder, which is cumin powder basically, and cilantro. Just like masala papar is made, you can make khakra masala papar. So there are a lot of snacks you can make quickly for your kids. Even grown-ups would love those kind of snacks. So today I thought I want to prepare khakra dabeli using my favorite flavor, jeera khakra. Of course you can use any variety, but I thought of using jeera khakra to prepare khakra dabeli. To prepare the khakra dabeli, I'm going to show you my quick and easy way of preparing potato masala, aloo masala basically, that goes in the dabeli. So I'm going to use pressure cooker, but you can make in the open pot as well. I have already shared video on how to make using an open pot. Basically you just boil the potato first and then season. So let's get started. Peel the potato. And since I have the large potato, I'm just using one. If you have a medium sized potatoes, use 2. For small size, use 3. For about 4 to 6 people, dabeli masala. Wash and cut potato in cubes, small cubes, to cook faster. Chop onion fine, like so. Making the dabeli masala into the pressure cooker is very quick, and just one pot has to be washed. So I'm going to heat up the pressure cooker pot on a medium to high heat. Take about a tablespoon of oil. Oil is hot. Add cumin seeds, jeera. Add onion. Give it a stir. And allow onion to cook for a little bit. When the onion is slightly soft, add potato, salt as per your taste. If desired, turmeric powder, haldi can be added as well. But since my dabeli masala has everything in it, I'm not going to add turmeric powder. Add just a little bit of water. Ready to cover the pressure cooker. And here only 1 whistle. Alright, so I heard 2 whistles. Open carefully by releasing the remaining pressure manually. And I'm going to add the remaining ingredients. Here I have red chili powder. You can add as per your taste. Mine is not too hot. Dabeli masala. I have already shared how to make dabeli masala at home, even on my website. And also I like to add a little bit of date tamarind chutney. Okay. Stir everything really well. You want to hear maximum 2 whistles. And we need soft potatoes anyway, so 2 or 3 whistles would be even okay, but you don't want the potato sticking at the bottom. Next, just mash the potato. As you can see, very soft potato, just in 2 whistles. And I simply love this quick dabbly mixture. So if you have the pressure cooker, make use of it, and do follow many other recipes from my YouTube channel to quickly prepare sabjis, dry sabjis even, and you will love the idea of using pressure cooker to prepare recipes quickly. Look at this perfect looking dabbly masala. Perfect water measurement even. So you just need to add a little bit of water, just enough so that the potato don't stick at the bottom. Alright, so here I have everything ready, and I have this jeera khakra from Chakri. So let's open it up. So easy to open, and then you can zip it back when you are done, to store properly so they stay crispy. So they come in a vacuum packed foil like this. So cut it. So here I have the jeera flavor. I can just eat them just as it is. Crispy, yummy khakras. And I'm going to pull from the middle, so they will be hopefully the whole khakras. As you can see, yep, they are. Now take one khakra first, and then just follow the steps as you would make the dabeli using the bread buns. So instead of bread buns, basically I'm using khakra. So the first thing goes on is the garlic chutney. And the khakras are delicate, crispy, delicate, so handle them little lightly, like softly, with care. Next, the potato stuffing. Spread all over the khakra. And try to make little thin layer, like so. Next, sprinkle onion. Looks yummy already. Here I have some coriander leaves. Lots of peanuts for protein. And I'm using masala peanut. Adds amazing flavors and crunch. Besan sev. And the next thing to do is just apply again chutney on the other khakra, like so, and then put it on top of the khakra. If desired, cut it. It's hard to cut, but in order to eat, it is necessary to cut. And so also people can see through once cut, the stuffing and everything inside, and actually it looks more appealing, as you can see. And it's time to bite into khakra dabeli. Hope you can hear all those crunch. At this time, the only thing this organization is asking is to try out their khakras. If you love, they deliver to your door. They can ship anywhere in the world. That's what I think, but you can check out on their website where they can deliver. So in India even, they deliver door-to-door khakra, and I personally believe that this is the perfect way to help someone who are trying to do something and not just asking for money, but they are really working hard, and all they are saying is that get our product. I believe that this is a great way to help someone in need. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, making of khakra dabeli with chakri khakra, and I used jeera flavor, but you can use your favorite flavor. And I hope I'm helping underprivileged women in rural India. I highly request to visit Chakri at least once. Try their khakra. If you would like to know more about Chakri khakra, you can visit the link provided under this video description, and you can go through the site and see what they are doing and how they are helping underprivileged women in rural India by providing them some, jobs, employment, and all that. You can visit my website bhavanaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks, and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavana's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavana's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android, and many other devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire, or YouTube app itself if you have a smart TV. Thanks for watching and see you soon.
What started as an activity in a small household kitchen some years ago, today is a thriving project. Chakri khakra is made of 100% whole grains. We do not use refined flour, no preservatives, and no artificial colors. Our product is recommended by doctors, dietitians, and nutritionists. That in itself is the highest testimony of our quality. We started off with the vision to empower women from the neighboring villages. We sold khakra initially door to door, and because of consistency in quality and offering healthy and nutritious choices, the demand started increasing. The taste and the flavors are widely accepted and highly appreciated by the people. Also traveled international today. चाकरीमध्ये काम करते याचं मला गर्व आहे. चाकरीची मी फिलिंग बदलते. मला चाकरीमध्ये काम करायला खूप मजा येते. Our current manufacturing facility, which is around 3,000 square feet, to a much larger plant of 20,000 square feet, which will help us provide employment to over 200 women.